This is an unboxing of the Dewalt 5-in-1 drill and driver set. This kit I specifically picked up because of these options here, the short ends on it. So it's a dcd703f1. So let's take a look at it. As with many of the Dewalt things, comes in a little tool bag for itself. Your smaller comes with a little tiny 2-amp battery. I don't even think I have any of this small. All of mine got all my larger ones, which is interesting. So that's all it will take. It will not take the standard size ones. That's good to know. So this little 12-volt comes with the standard dcd703f1. So I have the 115, I've got the fast charger, but that's a different one. We got clips for your belts, and then here's all your ends. So just a standard driver, and just clicks on. So it's kind of cool, quick release. If you will switch it out. Let's get the rest of these out of here. There's for any screwdriver, drill bits, or anything. Then we've got the offset. I think that's going to come in pretty handy. And then the reason I really wanted this was for the 90 degree. So let me set this off to the side here. Show you what it is one more time. So we've got this. We've got our offset. A couple belt clips. Sorry, we've got our 90. Then we've got our offset for regular bits and for more of an impact. Sorry about the noise there for a little bit. I tried to cut some out with the helicopter overhead, but so I thought about that. I also picked up this, which is just gives me that 90 as well, but uses a regular driver. So I'll have to try the difference between the two, but that's pretty much it. And I can go a bunch of different angles with this, which is nice. So if I want to take it all the way to the side, it'll lock in there so that I can use it that way. It does have the same light like a lot of the Dewalt tools, different speeds, forward and reverse. So that right there is the 5-in-1 drill driver kit.